Hey, what mamas, was poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get right into this video. I'm so excited because I am doing a empty apartment tour. So yeah girl, I have officially moved out and I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm basically going to be showing you all my empty apartment, and I'm just doing the intro right now because per usual, honey, I forgot to do my little intro. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Front door. I really like these colors, so cute. This is like a gray. It's really cute. And then you come in. What's that mean? And then you walk in and you come to the right hand side, and this is a coat closet, which is pretty spacious. I'll probably put like my vacuum cleaner in there. I don't have no coats to put up in there. No. Maybe when guests come over, they can put their shoes in there. And then this is the living room. You in the frame, but you don't care? You don't care? Oh, what is that there? So this is the living room. So cute. So I'll probably put my couch right here. TV probably go right there. And yeah, I might can put something like right there, because there might be enough room for like a little kitchen table or something, or like a little, what you call it, a little nook. Is that what you said?
This is wood.
This is wood?
It is.
So wood floors. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take y'all onto the balcony, period.
I'm glad we saw this because did you get this real good?
Yeah. So this is the balcony, y'all. See my window? It's so loud out here. Oh Lord, they got the fire trucks.
I told you it's the one on Amazon.
It's already a fire.
Get this too, because then you're gonna be able to see what you're gonna need, like a little rack or something.
So I'm probably gonna have like 2 bar stools. I feel like 2 would be good right here. Ma, I'm recording. So it's probably gonna be 2 bar stools right here. And what kind of countertops are these? These are really cute. Granite countertops. So this is how this looks.
They got paint on here too.
So it's the one sink. I feel like every apartment has only one sink. Yeah, most apartments we have one sink. So this is how the sink looks. I got plenty of space down here. Y'all, fire trucks are here. We're gonna have to get up out of here. But this is how the storage is up under the kitchen sink. I feel like that's a lot of storage, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna like make sure I have stuff organized. I'm gonna do a video about that too, y'all, organizing my place. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And then I have a dishwasher, which I love. I'm excited about. I wash my dishes, y'all, but I've never really used like a dishwasher like that. So yeah, I'll probably just use that just to dry my dishes off. And then I have like this little area right here. I don't know if I should put something right here because it's just like a little blank area. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put right here, but yeah, that's that. And then I also have a pantry. Y'all, this is what I'm excited about because most apartments did not have any pantries. So this one has a pantry, which I'm really excited about. I have a lot of space, y'all. Like, it's a lot of space. So yeah, that's that. And then this is just over here with another part of the counter, stove, microwave, of course my little cabinets. I like the colors in this place. It's really cute. And then I have where I could probably put like my silverware and stuff. And then more space. What color would you consider this, Ma? Would this be like a gray or a brown? I don't know. Yeah, maybe more brown. More storage, period. Then up here. So I have storage right there. Storage up there. And then this is my refrigerator. So the freezer. And it does make ice, which is good. So it makes its own ice. And I don't buy the little ice trays. I don't even need that. Right, take it back. This is the refrigerator. Yeah. And then we're gonna go into the laundry room. So I just have a stackable washing machine and dryer. And then what is that? I bought the little command strips. So I'm gonna put the command strips on the side and put my broom connected to it and the Swiffer. And then it has this. This came with it, so I don't know. Maybe that could be like, oh, maybe this can be like where I put like my laundry detergent and stuff. That might be what it is, which is good. I can put my laundry detergent and stuff on there. I think that's what that's for. Yeah. So that's how that looks. And then the laundry room is right across from the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So this is a linen closet. Dang, I haven't even showed them the bedroom yet. This is the linen closet space.
Did you go up so you can see the water thing?
Yeah.
There's one in here too.
Then
You also got one in there.
what is this called?
Where your hot water heater.
Yeah, hot water heater is in there. So there's nothing.
Well, you got a water thing in there too.
Yeah. So this is the tub. I like how the rod is like kind of spiral or whatever you call it. I'm really bad at describing stuff, but yeah, that's how that looks. Like that. Toilet. Me. And I like this too. This is cute. Put like a little face towel right there. And then it's the same countertops, sink, and then more storage down below. So I got like 3 drawers. Let me take y'all to the bedroom, because that's like the best part. So yeah, let me show y'all the bedroom. Room is literally right across from the living room. So as soon as you walk in, this is my bedroom. Y'all see the fire trucks? Girl. Okay, so yeah, this is how this looks. I like how it has the 2 little windows. I think that's kind of cute because it brings in more like sunlight. So that's perfect for me. Like when I record my videos, can we get sunlight? That's what I like. So yeah, that's how that looks. So let me try to get y'all the full effect, okay, of how this room looks. Like I feel like this room is a nice size for me. And then you come in my closet. I feel like my closet is big, to be honest. So let me show y'all. Come in, you have these 2 shelves right here. So that's a lot of space right there. Space down below. Then you keep coming in. I got 2 little spaces. And then I have another. This is a lot, girl. I feel like I don't even have that many clothes, but this is cute. So yeah, and this carpet in the room. This is the only, yeah, this is really nice. So yeah. Alright, so this is my apartment tour. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing some moving vlogs, so make sure you subscribed. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I'm gonna be doing some moving vlogs. So yeah, see y'all in my next video.